Well, it is Manufacturing Month, and we're going to learn more about the industry and how Rhodes State College is helping out. Joining me today, he is the Dean of Technology and Liberal Studies Division at Rhodes State College, David Haus. And thanks for coming today.
Thanks for having me. Great to be here.
So when we talk about manufacturing, that has changed a lot, right? I mean, we're celebrating Manufacturing Month, but it's a lot different than years past.
Sure. It's changed considerably. And so right now, we focus specifically on advanced manufacturing. So that's the use of a number of sensors, devices, and other machinery to automate production at high speed, lower cost. And so a lot of the people involved in manufacturing are going to be in different roles than maybe they were in times past.
Right. It's not the typical assembly line that you think of back in the day. There's a little bit of help along with this, huh?
Yeah, there's a lot of that. So that's being done on automated lines with robots and industrial computers and lines of sensors. And so the workforce we need for the growth in manufacturing are technicians who can work with all of those machines.
And is that kind of the challenge that the manufacturing's facing? They need those people who can do that?
Yeah, yeah, very much so. One of the big challenges is just the sheer number of open technician positions we've seen in Ohio just in the last year.
Wow.
I think, there were estimates of about 25,000 open technician positions that required someone with an associate's degree, and all the colleges put together made about between 1,000 and 2,000, depending on who you're asking and who's doing the counting.
Wow.
So it's a career not necessarily people think of. And so one of the big challenges we have is, there is a great deal of need. There's a great deal of opportunity in the field, and people don't necessarily know about it as a career. So, you think of healthcare areas or law enforcement or, legal, other things. It's one career people don't know about.
Right, yeah. But at Rhodes, you can help them out, right?
I sure can,
You're telling them about it, and now you guys have programs for this, right?
I sure can. Yeah, we sure do. So, specifically, we have a variety of associate's degrees that align. They are associate degrees in electronic engineering technology, manufacturing engineering technology, mechanical engineering technology, and electromechanical engineering technology, which is one of the newest ones that's been real popular. But what those degrees do is prepare students for a variety of technical fields where they can hit the ground running and be technicians. And so a lot of our students wind up in manufacturing. And we also, people don't think about it, but there are programs that support advanced manufacturing. They're a big part of it, but you don't necessarily think about it. Because in a modern factory, you have lots of sensors, lots of devices. They all have IP addresses.
Okay.
And last year, the average cybersecurity breach cost a company $5 million per incident. And so someone who specializes in network security and is really important. We have a program in network security as well. But those roles are super critical in manufacturing. And one of the newest ones is our associate's degree in artificial intelligence and machine learning. And so those students learn to be technicians who can actually run data from your machines to predict things like machine failure, or make apps to improve sensor performance or quality control. So, or autonomous vehicles that can palletize and do things on your floor. So,
right. Yeah. So is it someone who likes computers, likes to do hands-on stuff? I mean, what do you typically see where a student that really thrives and loves the field?
Sure. So for our technicians, it's people who like hands-on things. So I would say our students are people who are interested in how and why things work, and people who do like a little change of pace, so a little diversity of what your day brings. And I say the most important thing I see in those students is just wondering why things work.
Right, yeah, exciting. So, all right, so Can you sign up now? I assume your classes are ongoing, so
Classes
check
are
it out.
ongoing. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, we run classes year round, and now is a great time.
Right.
And I'd encourage any young person out there who might think, oh, you probably need to be really good at math or really good at science, and say, that's not me, is what I'd really suggest is those are obstacles. We overcome obstacles. Don't let that prevent you from seriously considering and pursuing this career, because some of our students at first struggle with math and then they're fine. So we have ways of working through it.
Wow, and it sounds like it's a career that you're going to land that job right away.
Lots of availability in the region. So if you're worried you may even have to move, that's not necessarily true. But if you wanted to, you could. But I would say stay in Lima Land.
Right, exactly. Agreed. All right, well, thanks for coming today. Really
Thanks,
exciting
Holly.
stuff. Wow. All right, don't go away. Neon Edition continues in a moment.